To search for a drug in Briggs Drugs in Pregnancy and Lactation, first search for the drug in the Facts and Comparisons database. To get there, from inside FDA, we'll go to Library, and if you scroll down here to near the bottom of the page, there's a list of databases and articles that you can search. If you go down to drug information and scroll down, Facts and Comparisons is right here. And we'll use caffeine to demonstrate. And let's try caffeine oral. Over on the left, if you click on Pregnancy and Lactation, it gives some information about pregnancy considerations, and breastfeeding consideration. And if we click on the drug here in the Briggs Drugs in Pregnancy and Lactation, it'll take us right to the information in the book. And from here, you can either read it online, or if you'd like to print a hard copy or save it as a PDF, you can do that here. If you click on Print, you can select a printer, or you can print as PDF. And down at the bottom of the page, it shows you when it was last updated. This was last updated in 2017. And when you are finished, please log out.